In this exercise, we will learn the blur tool. The blur tool is used to blur images. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I move my arrow on Tools, we can see here the blur tool. We can just right-click on it and select it. But you can also notice that it has no shortcut key because it is not used as often. But we can create a custom shortcut key for this. Okay, let's see quickly. If I go to Menu and click on Edit and choose Keyboard Shortcuts from here, or we can also edit it from the Edit tool icon from here. 3 dots. Just right click on it and choose Edit Toolbars. We can edit any shortcut from here. But if I go to Edit and choose Shortcut Keys, we can see all the shortcut keys, not only for the toolbar, but also for the menu bar. And here, choose a shortcut for Tools. And here, we can see the shortcuts of all the tools by default. And we can change any we want. We have the blur tool here, and we can just click on it. And let's enter the Y key, for example, and click OK to save this tool key. Okay, now go to the blur tool, and here we can see Y is the shortcut key. Okay, now let's see how this tool will work. And make sure you have 100% strength because it will work well with 100%. And let's start a new layer as well. And just paint on the area that you would like to blur. Let's zoom in to see a little more effectively. Maybe it is not too much of a blur effect, but it works well when we need a little bit of a blur. We also have alternative options for this tool that we will learn in the next exercises. And now we have some control options above. Let's keep the blur brush as normal and work 100% here. And sample all layers with these settings. With these settings, this tool can work well. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the sharpen tool.